160 lang naman.
Regalawan ng sarili. Kano?
160.
Ah, padaling ka.
Sa dami na ng China ngayon, partner. Na, pag isot mo na, hindi na nila alam yan.
Sa bagay.
Oo, mukhang mayaman si kabayan, nakanik ha.
Kaya pala sabi ni...
Eh, ang pangalan niya, Mickey.
Kaya pala sabi ni Ambo, par, bago na naman si Marcos mong yabang mo
Hindi ako mahilig sa mga mamahaling partner.
Pangas tayo, partner.
Yung afford lang ng kaya ko, doon lang ako. Nasa nagsusot lang yan.
Yung mamahalin, wala rin. 120. Ayaw magano ng mumurahin. Ay, kako sige nga lang nga. Sa akin, nag-15 lang. Okay na.
Kapul lang ako. Kaya kung yan ay Jean White, tapos sale, kukunin ko yan. Pero kamo pag yung ganong yung siyang sapatos ko na, no, na New Balance, ang presyo 599. Akala hindi ko makakuha-kuha eh. Titignan ko lang eh. Talaga tinititigan ko lang siya. Biglang nag 280.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay yung edition eh. Gusto ko talaga yan. Ayun, sabi ko alam. Wow. Kaya lang nga, ang problema, natin yung pera ganun kalaki.
Lagery? Yes, lager you.
Dalawa lang to eh, isang pula tsaka isang puti tsaka isang puti.
Ayos na yung pates. Ganda yan.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change.